Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Board. This is series of UI technologies, and today we are going to learn how to add image in a web page. Images in HTML5. An image is used to display pictures in web page. Image src path and then attribute alt with value some alternative text. This is particular image element. Now alt is an attribute which can be used to provide alternative text for an images if the image is not loaded properly. Now for image tag we have additional attribute like height and width to manage its height and width. Now before understanding image, we need to understand what is path. There are two types of path, relative path and absolute path. What is relative path? Relative file path points to a file relative to current page or current file location. A relative file path points to a file relative to the current location. Now, absolute path is full path. Absolute path is full path from root to destination. Whereas relative path is from current location to destination. Understood? Let me help you. Observe here carefully. See, this is not the exact example, just for understanding purpose. This is source, okay, and this is destination. Currently you are here, and if we observe this complete path from source, sorry, from source, this is source to destination, then this is full path. Then what is relative path? That we need to understand. Suppose this is source, this is destination. Currently you are here and you are mentioning path from current location to destination. This is current location and this is destination. Okay, so this path is relative path. Don't worry if you have not understood this example. When we will learn example practically, there you will have 100% crystal clear understanding. Now let's understand with one practical example. Observe here, in E drive I have UI practical folder, and in this I have one images folder here. Observe, this is E drive, this is UI practical folder in E drive, and in UI practical folder I have images folder. Okay, then under images, let me open this images folder. I have jerry.png, tom.png, tom and jerry.jpg. So please observe here carefully. This is E drive. Then in E drive I have UI practical. Then in UI practical I have images folder. In images folder I have this one picture, this is another picture, and this is another picture. Okay. Now on the other hand, in UI practical folder, in UI practical folder I have, see here, in E I have UI practical, in E I have UI practical, and in UI practical I have jerry.png image directly. Understood? So I have shown two paths. One is E drive, then in E drive I have UI practical, then in UI practical I have images, in images I have three images. This is one path and this is another path. E drive, UI practical, then jerry.png. Okay. Now let's see one practical example. Here we are having html/html, then we have head, then we have body slash body, okay, title slash title, learning image tag in HTML5. In body I am going to take one paragraph. Display image here slash p. Let's observe current output. I have not completed code yet. Okay, just check the output once for our better understanding purpose. So here images.html, okay, and view current file, and then execute. Okay, learning image tag, see, observe here carefully, learning image tag in HTML5, and let me increase the size of the page. And this is our paragraph. Okay, this is our paragraph, display image here. Now let's complete the code. What I am using, I am using image tag. Image tag is unpaired tag. Okay, image src is equals to, here I need to write path. So where is my images.html file that I need to check first? Observe carefully. In UI practical I have, see, in UI practical, where it is, here, observe, In E folder I have UI practical. In UI practical directly I have images.html file, means my current code, and in same folder I have jerry.png in current folder only, correct? So in current location only I am having jerry.png file. So what I will do, I will simply write in current folder jerry.png. Now let's save the code and refresh. Observe here, image is not coming properly. Let me check. Png, jerry.png, correct? Okay, jerry.png only, jerry.png. Let me remove this. img src is equals to jerry.png. Save and display. Here you go. Got it? What I will do, I will adjust height and width. Height is equals to 200. Let's check the output. Is there any changes? Oh yes, there are some changes. I will make it 100. Is there any changes? Yes. I will increase the width. Width is equals to 200. Is there any changes? See, it's not looking fine. So I will make it 110. Observe. Now it's looking fine. jerry.png. But what I am doing now, I am removing this file into another folder, new. Let's say new, folder name is new, and paste it. See, in UI, in UI I have, in E I have UI, in UI I have new, in new I have jerry.png. On the other hand, where is my code? In UI practical I have my code here, images.html. Okay, images.html. So if I will refresh the page, then it will not work because that file is not available there. See here, understood? But what if file is not there, I want to give some message, so I will make use of alt is equals to jerry. Save and refresh. Jerry, here you go. See what I am getting here, jerry. Suppose I want to change it to Mohsin, then I will write here Mohsin. Save and just refresh. Observe carefully. Understood? If file is not loaded properly, then this alternative text will appear. Now what changes I will have to do, in from current location I have one folder with name new. In new folder I have Jerry, so I will add this path. So this is relative path. Which path it is? Relative path, because already my code is in UI practical folder, and in UI practical folder I have new folder. In new folder I have jerry.png file, correct? So now I have changed the path. Now I will refresh the page. Observe carefully. I am going to refresh 1 2 3. Okay, fine, it's not coming. What is the mistake? New. Okay, let me check here. Where is new? Okay, UI practical. In UI practical I have new. Let me check here. Backward slash save and refresh. Here you go. I had done one mistake. What was that mistake? Instead of taking backward slash, I was taking forward slash. This was the mistake, and I have corrected it. Now this is backward slash and save, refresh. This file will appear as it is. Okay. Now let's understand what is absolute path. What we have learned now? We have learned relative path. Relative path. Okay. Now we need to learn what we need to learn. We need to learn absolute path. Absolute path. What is absolute path? Now we will learn. Observe carefully. Remove this path. I will show you one folder. In E drive I have UI practical, then I have images folder. In images I have jerry.png, tom.png and tom and jerry.jpg. Okay, so what I will do, I will give complete path e colon backward slash UI practical UI practical backward slash images folder. In images folder I have tom.png file. Let's save the code and execute the code. I'm going to refresh 1 2 3. Refresh. Here you go. Got it? So this is example of absolute path. Why this is absolute path? Tell me. Because I am not giving this path from current file location. I am giving this path from root directory. What is root directory? E is root directory. From root directory I am giving complete path. Complete path. That's why this is absolute path. Understood? This is absolute path. So that's it. In this way we can add images in our web page, and this is what is about absolute path and relative path. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.